What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I will be walking you through how to return an item to the seller that you recently purchased on eBay. Now I am on the eBay mobile app for this for both iOS and Android. However, this will work for desktop eBay as well. So go ahead and launch the eBay mobile app. Look at the bottom toolbar towards the bottom there to select the My eBay icon. And then from there, about 4 down, you will head into Purchases. On this screen, you will see all of your recent purchases, and you're going to want to select the one that you want to return, obviously. Then you'll scroll down just a little bit, and you'll see towards the bottom there is a button for Leave Feedback, and then right next to it, there's a button that says More Actions. Click on the More Actions button, then you will see third from the top, there's a button to return the item. It'll ask you why you are returning the item. Now, do keep in mind that the way that eBay is structured is that sellers are able to set reasons for returns and whether they're going to accept it or deny it. So a lot of sellers will only accept a return if the item doesn't match description or photos. So there is a good reason to select that. So I would do your research of what type of return that the seller suggests. Now, there are some easy ways to work around this by simply just selecting doesn't match description or photos for basically every time you want to return. I wouldn't recommend this though. You could get flagged by eBay for potentially abusing their return system. However, I know for this item in specific, you could return it for whatever reason, and it is a money back guarantee after 7 days. So for this example, I'll just select one that says it arrived damaged. It's going to require you to write a reason. I will just say USPS damaged the package. Don't really have to think too much thought into that specific text box. And for some reason, you are required to attach the photos. Even if you don't like an item for some reason, they require you to attach a photo. So just take a random photo of the item. Don't overthink it and just upload it. I really haven't had any sort of reason for a return being denied, especially if the seller accepts all returns, regardless of what I put for the photo and the description. From there, you would hit confirm return. Like I said in the beginning, I don't want to actually return this product, but once you do upload that photo, you are able to confirm the return and proceed with the return process. That's pretty much how it works though in returning an item on eBay. Like I said, it's a little bit different on desktop, but it is a similar sort of motion that you're going to go through. If you did have any questions for me, feel free to leave them down below. If you found this video helpful today though, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.